Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I have another video for you guys today. This time, another unboxing, and yeah, so stay tuned to see what I got this time. Alright, so I'll already give it away. They are from Supreme. So Supreme did just recently have their new season start up again, the fall-winter collection. And the first drop, as they call it, happened just recently. And this time it happened on a Monday instead of a Thursday, which is really odd. I don't know how often they change what day the drops happen, but the drops usually happen at 10 a.m. Is it 10 a.m.? No, 11 a.m. Eastern time. So I'm in Minnesota, so it happens at 10 a.m. my time. And for this drop, there was a lot of stuff, and there is a lot more stuff that are planning to be released. And the story with, so I wanted to get a few other things, but these were the items that I was able to get. And now this is a big box, and you guys probably, if you guys are any way or shape or form interested in Supreme, you guys probably know what that thing is. But yeah, I will open it for you guys. And this item is a complete mystery. Well, not to me, of course, because I'm the one who bought it. But when I went on to the website, I was at work at the time, and my internet was not working, and on my laptop, and so I started to worry a little bit. But I went onto my work computer, and I went on Supreme website there, and I was able to get on there, but the store had not opened yet, and so I knew that my my address and my shipping information was not on that computer. So I knew I would have to be very quick in typing that stuff in, along with my credit card and all that stuff. So I knew I probably wouldn't be able to get any of the well, quote unquote good stuff, because I think the good stuff, or the hottest items, were the Madonna tees. And the story of that tee goes that Madonna refused to pose for a picture for Supreme in this collaboration, but Supreme ended up purchasing the rights for a picture, the picture that they had on the t-shirts, and Supreme basically said, screw you, Madonna, we'll still use your picture anyway. So they still had a t-shirt with her picture on it. So that was the story there. I think I don't know if it's true or not. That's what I heard. But anyways, I was able to score a couple items, and let's start with this one first. And people are saying, so this piece was actually, I was still available long after the store opened. And so I'm starting to think that it might not be worth it anymore to keep buying Supreme, because I originally started buying stuff because I thought I could resell them. But now I'm pretty much just going for the more the things that I probably would wear myself or use myself. Okay, so it's empty bag. Here is the Supreme bag. And this item comes with, oh cool, a couple of, these are box logo stickers. Don't get them confused with bumper stickers. And look, they gave me a bouncy ball with, if you guys can see, so it has Supreme in there, and I guess they are giving this away for free. And here is the item that I got. It is a shoulder bag, and it is in the black colorway, and it has if I could take this tag out of the way. So it has Supreme on here written out, and it's not shaded in, so it's just the outline of it, so it's not as noticeable. But this is item number 1 that I got. Okay, so let me put this down, and let me go into this item. So I'm going to be careful with this item because I don't know if it's a box in a box or if it's just the item in there itself without any protection. Yeah, I thought that bouncy ball was pretty cool. Okay. I always hate going in with a blade. Okay, there's some paper in there, so it is protected. So I don't know if this was one of the more hyped items, but it was one of the more unique items, and that's why I decided to try and go for this one first. Okay, so here is inside the box. Let me take out the paper, and oh my god, okay. So here's more paper. More paper. Trying to see if they gave me a bouncy ball in this one. I don't know if they did, but there is. It does come in a bag. Let me get this guy out. Nothing else in the box. And let me. Oh, there is. Oh, look at this. Okay, so there is another box in here. And let me go ahead and open this up. Where's the bottom already? Okay. You could hear sort of what it is. It's kind of metal. Now this might be a naked item underneath this box, but let me go ahead and open this up. Oh wow, okay. You guys ready? Let me open it up this way. You guys started to see it already, but I got, oh my gosh, I got a freaking toolbox. And there is something in there. There is a drawer in here. Let me go ahead and take it out the bag. Oh, come on. And this thing is pretty heavy. You guys can see it says Supreme on here. So this one, I believe it cost $118, I believe, or I could be wrong, but I thought it wasn't that expensive of something that I could get, and so I decided to get it. And oh, they did give me a bouncy ball in this one, and they also gave me a couple Supreme stickers in here as well. But unfortunately, there was a few other stickers that were available during this drop, and that included like the Liquid Supreme. Oh, so this is a drawer or a tray, and you can see that it says Supreme right there. Let me just show you. So it is empty on the inside. I just think that it's really cool that they gave these things out, because who knows, people are probably trying to resell those too. And I might even like keep this, I don't know, because I have tools in my house, and I just think this is really cool. What do you guys think? So I did miss out on the more hyped items like the t-shirts, and I think there are some sweaters and maybe some hats that people are trying to get, but I really... And so the thing with... So I made my first order with this one, and I had gone through the checkout process, and it gave me the error code that my card was declined. I'm like, what the hell? And so I quickly grabbed another card and I you know, re-put it in my cart. And then when I put in my cart, it said that I could not do it because they only limit these items one per person. I'm like, what the hell? And then that's when I was like so bummed out that I decided to go and just get something from this drop, and that's why I got this one. And this item was available for quite a while, maybe even several minutes after, you know, they first were released. And so yeah, that's why I'm saying, like, I don't know if people are so interested in, you know, buying Supreme anymore, but I know a lot of people are still buying things. But I think for now I'm probably only gonna get, or try to, you know, buy the more hyped items from Supreme, not just things that you know, I think that would resell, because I still have not very much experience with these products. But I do try to do my research on Instagram and on Twitter to see what people are going for, and I try to do my best to get them. But so for this drop, again, let me show you guys. I got a toolbox and the bag. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, please leave them down below. And yeah, until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.